Ki kena school jong ka Myngken Christian Secondary School kila ha ban penkrek ban mi no na laki ying kisem ki jong ki ban lej ban ya ai reng sha ke lumpung ya lek ka jong ka Indo French football tournament ka ban sedang nadu ka arp sau trik leber hadu laipo trik leber ha nong ba Paris ha France. Ha kedi kekenti ka kenhuan ki kena ya lek kai ka school Myngken Christian Secondary School kaban ya lam da ba Bobby L Nongbet AFCA license coach u district sports officer ka Ribhoy district layo jingtep baha kene ke lempung ya lek kai ken hab bakin ya tunjuk bor ya ki kena ki bala sign dur ha ki slam aji kai football ba pawnam jong ki club ya lek kai football jong ka France. Ki club ki ba ki kena ka Myngken kin hab ban ya khun ki long ka FC Versailles Bobigny FC, AAS, Sarsilis, Football, Bat Grigny FC. Lakban kedua kini kekenhun kan yok ru ha ka ban syak hikai, ni banyak kilan mer ber ki kena jong ka slam aji hikai ka Olympic Lioness, ka ba hang ni ki kena school jong ka Myngken Christian Secondary School. Kin yok ya ka jing syak hikai, bat pentebet ha kata ka rukom ka bajanai. Ha ka bay day berkeni ke bentah ha ka arpo arterik leber na kaliang ka office jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kala penlong ya ka jinga langkit bok kit riang ya ka ni ka kunhun ya ka bala penlong ya ka ha ka Hotel Center Point ha ka bala wan ban ya don lang u President ka Meghalaya Football Association uba Hamlet Son Dokling u Director jong ka tenat u Didi Shira u Principal jong ka school ba Everlasting Pengrup bat kumju u try bat chairman ka Shillong la jong Football Club ba Larsing M Sawian. Ha kini kejingalang na kaliang ka Hotel Center Point ling ba u arup ka kati ba day artat u Director of Culinary jong kini ka hotel. Ula syem ya kebenta ban hikai ki kena kumno bakin nang ban bat pro bat syamoy kumno ban syem ne khat iki bam bat kumta terter namar kum kari ka France ka day kari ka babat bahai ki an ki kanun jong ka rukom bam rukom di. Hadin kini kejing hikai bat batai benia iki kena kaladon pat kejing elang kit bong ha ke baki nong kren ke kentup nadu kejing kren mait pang na uba Bobby L Nongbet syapang kelintia jong kene ke school tat hadu banda krek lek syanong ba Paris. U Director Sports nang ta uba Hamlet Son Dokling bat kumju na uba Larsing M Sawian. Na kaliang ka MFA kalawan syakmat bakan no jingerap silak tengka kum kadak banyat nrong lem ya ke jinglut jingsep na kebenta kan ni kekenhun.
Right from for all these 90 minutes we have seen the skill, the technique, the tactic and the spirit that you have. It is because of this quality that you have that you are getting this opportunity to participate in the Indo-French football tournament in Paris. To take my advantage to congratulate Myngken, the owner of the Syllad Football Club. It was a club that has produced maximum numbers of players, not only in the junior level but also in the senior level. We have seen the contribution in the field of players in the state of Meghalaya. It is true the hard work of the Syllad Football Club, and we should not forget also of football coach Bobby. So today, Myngken Secondary School, we are very, very fortunate that the government of Meghalaya is organizing this set of program. And also, Meghalaya Football Association also is taking part on this very important program. Because we are very, very happy that we are getting this opportunity to play in the international level. We are here today to give you the best wishes to all of you, and we hope that the same spirit that you always have, that you will show up, you will play in all this international team, and we believe that you will beat all of this team and you will come up in flying colors. On behalf of the Meghalaya government, and also on behalf of the Meghalaya Football Association, I'd like to wish you all the very best. But A small advice from our side to you, sir. When you are there in the foreign country, the most important part is that you should have discipline. Discipline is very, very important. And please do obey the official who will be with you, especially the coach. People all over the world, they will watch you. That nowadays, football players can earn in one set more than 1 crore. So we are very, very fortunate enough that we got this opportunity, and please make use of this platform. Because for Meghalaya Football Association also, we are looking upon you. If football is going to grow in India, in Meghalaya, I agree with Bami. We need to start football right from the grassroots level. In Meghalaya Football Association, we always discuss that we need to see good players to represent the state of Meghalaya. And we also have a thought with us that if we get the support from the government, even Meghalaya Football Association will come up with a football academy, so that in the future we will get the good and the quality players. That's what we have in our mind. So, with these few words, once again, I'd like to take my opportunity to wish you all the very best. Safe journey. Please do well. Please come back to the state, come back to the country with a champion trophy. But shwa kabang ang shwa, na shwa na kubekar pang ipi baro ki players jang ka Myngken Christian HSS school ibalik bansin mata hamtir po Paris kini ka kabuksiar na lajopi gue baro let tie long kibran kodan borong long kibran discipline berkemau kejire haban treshom haban minon but one mumbo yal jom hapo baro ngide ibrio warong bakide kitim baro France po Spain kin khamla banyapi ni baro ngide hiju ibrio berkemau ni jat berdiri hapo kajalan Meghalaya kejap dikasi ngide ibrio ki basata ibrio ki bayade berwebile ngide banjo kila banjrong karyan kamile Pagkasan kalau kami sen jongki video, kasap kapong ka blay YP penengkaman kapor kabagyamba. Nanti pilan news na si bomba kakata pikiran don. Sebab penengkam yang kasap kapong jongki nama kesian kanira nepi barawat aku kasi kanira bro yang kejelas ni hak blay berkeji kaya football. Tu blay berkat babi, nelu babi minang ni. Undang kat kerja di jompi, tempoh yang tidak bersuka sain, dilekai pelat kejima kejemusau, bak kipat bak jom di dalam Meghalaya, kau hidup dia hidup pergi kikwa, lebih berbeda ya kejunjung. Kini kepada tiap Malaysia tang ya Myngken school, pilih keman ya kejela, bat ya kerja di Barokway.
17 runner-up team of the last year's Syllad Cup. We will be proceeding to France to participate in the Indo-French football tournament. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the team for reaching this level, for reaching the final. It is unfortunate that they could not win, but even reaching this level is a huge success, considering the huge competitions these days. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Bobby, principal, and all the supporting staff for grooming and helping the team to achieve this success. and it is because of their success now they are being able to participate in this venture. Very happy moments and proud moments to the state of Meghalaya. For this venture, I would also like to thank the state government and our sports minister and all the stakeholders. And after learning, after getting exposed, they have to come back. They have to execute in their future matches, and they have to inculcate in their way of life. They have to share with their friends, with their juniors. So it's a very good opportunity for the team to get exposed to France. From the Department of Sport and Youth Affairs, we will always continue to support and assist in whatever way we can. This kind of cause, this kind of venture in the future also. So enjoy the trip. My best wishes to you. I would also like to convey our best wishes from Honorable Minister, who could not be here because of his busy schedule. But I will also convey back to him that we had a nice send-off program. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Just bring back only the good memories. As you all know, as we go as a group, and if we move outside, we always encounter inconveniences, problems, and we may have to follow some rules. We have to stick to the time.
On the way to Paris to represent the country. It's a great, indeed, a big honor. And also, it's testimony to the hard work that has been put in by the state of Meghalaya towards the development of football. Last time Meghalaya won the Subroto Cup, as Bobby mentioned, was in 2019. At that time, it was part of our Goal 22 program, and Bobby himself is the coach of that team. And subsequently, he has mentored this team, and I personally was there for the finals. I managed to catch the match, and I must say I was tremendously proud to see the way the boys played, because we may not have won the tournament, but that match, which was between Meghalaya and Manipur, was a match fit for the highest level in India. Great moment for us to see them actually now be at the national level. They were boys who perhaps would have continued beyond 2019-20, but we released each and every one of them and sold them, transferred them to the big ISL clubs. I was sitting with Ivan Dolling and watching the match. So he helped me identify young boys in that team who I was not aware of. And I asked him, so Ivan, what is your current take home in Kerala? He might not forgive me for this, but in football, salaries are transparent. We all know how much Messi gets, we all know how much Ronaldo gets. So why not know what Ivan Dolling gets? 95 lakhs. 95 lakhs is his 1 year salary as of now. Next year it will cross 1 crore. And that is a top ISL player from Meghalaya, not yet the national team. Sana Khongsham is on an 8 crore contract for 5 years. Vishal Kate is above 2 crores per year. Mahesh Singh is above 2 crores per year. So just these 3 boys alone in the national team are on figures which are unbelievable. So what I want to say is that the dream is not only in Europe anymore. Yes, in Europe it's in millions of dollars, but the dream has reached India. And each and every one of you have this opportunity today. And let me tell you, these boys were close to nothing when they were training with us. But that is the reality of football today. So I wanted to share this with all of you with the future of Meghalaya players to know that there's a huge opportunity for us today, because it's for the first time that the state, the associations, the district associations and the football clubs are working in tandem towards taking Meghalaya football forward. Let's take this opportunity, work together and further build on developing not only Meghalaya football, but developing Indian football forward.